Hey guys, what's up? It's me Ujjwal Kumar and you are watching Study with Ujjwal, the educational channel of YouTube. So today we are not going to teach any lesson. Today I'm not going to teach you any lesson or to discuss any topics related to your studies. Today I'm going to discuss on a very important topic which is far very important for the welfare of the students across all over India. For the past few weeks, India has recorded a spike in the number of coronavirus cases. For the past few weeks, the number of cases increased very rapidly. In a single day, India has recorded 9,887 cases and 293 deaths yesterday. So the big question arises is that is it good for the ICSE to take examinations? Is it a good decision by ICSE or CBSE to take their pending examinations in the month of July? Because the number of coronavirus cases not getting slowed, it is increasing rapidly. So the main motto behind making this video is to raise your voice in the favor of the cancellation of your examinations or against the cancellation of examinations. Tell me in comment box that are you in favor of the cancellation of examinations or against the cancellation of examinations. Raise your voice as much as possible, that your voice will go in front of our Honorable Prime Minister, and we are damn sure that he will take a right decision regarding this. He will absolutely take a right decision regarding our future and for the brighter future of the students across all over India and for the welfare and good health of the students. So the main motto behind making this video is only to raise your voice, because the current situation is not fair for taking examinations. So let's begin this video, and I want to tell that if you agree with my words, please share this video among all your friends and tell them to share this video to their friends so that this video got viral and put forward this video in front of our Honorable Prime Minister. And we are willing to know that what inside the mind of our Prime Minister and what ICSE will do by taking our pre-board marks and what ICSE is thinking after getting the letter by Maharashtra government. So in this video we are going to talk about these topics and the main motto I hope you all understand. So let's begin this video and share this video as much as possible and tell me in comment surely. So let's begin this video. So as we all know that India is on 6th position with the highest number of coronavirus cases. And yesterday India has recorded a spike in the number of cases. So the first thing is that ICSE has demanded for the pre-board marks, and it is not clear that why ICSE has demanded for the pre-board marks. ICSE has not stated clearly about this. ICSE has not mentioned about this. They only told for the statistical data. So can we consider that it is the plan B of ICSE? ICSE will give the marks on the basis of your pre-board examinations marks, because we all don't know what will ICSE do, and many of the students are not in the favor of the considering for the pre-board marks. Many of the students did not want that ICSE will consider pre-board marks, because pre-board marks are not good for all the students, because the question paper is prepared quite tough than the boards in pre-board. pre-board questions are quite tough than your board papers. And as we all know that the number of coronavirus cases in India increasing rapidly, and one of our major states in India, that is our Maharashtra. Maharashtra has recorded 84,000 cases till now, and on the first position of the highest number of coronavirus cases in India. And the parents of the students living in Maharashtra did not want and are not ready and are not willing to send their wards for the examinations, because they all want that, they all also know that life is quite very important than your marks and your grades. And parents have written a letter to the Maharashtra government for the cancellation of examinations. We all have read in the newspaper or in the news headlines of your Google News. And Maharashtra government has also written a letter to the Council of ICSE and CBSE to cancel the examinations, and they mentioned 2 points very clearly, that either cancel the examinations or take the examinations whenever the condition is favorable in Maharashtra. And many of you guys are thinking that can ICSE do, or ICSE can do that they cancel the examinations in Maharashtra or take the examinations in the remaining states. क्या ICSE ऐसा कर सकता है? आप में से बहुत लोग पूछ रहे थे क्या ICSE ऐसा कर सकता है कि वो महाराष्ट्र के एग्जाम्स कैंसिल कर दे और बाकी स्टेट्स के ले ले. तो नो, इट इज़ नॉट पॉसिबल फॉर ICSE टू टेक एग्जामिनेशंस इन द रिमेनिंग स्टेट्स एक्सेप्ट Maharashtra, because ICSE is a national board. ICSE will definitely not do this. If ICSE will take exams, he will take in all the states, or if he will cancel the exams, he will cancel the exams in all the states. So ICSE का मेन प्रॉब्लम यही है कि ICSE कुछ खुलकर नहीं बोल रहा है. वो प्री बोर्ड का मार्क्स मांग रहा है, पर पता नहीं क्यों मांग रहा है. वो एग्ज़ाम्स के डेट डिक्लेयर कर दिए हैं, पर महाराष्ट्र गवर्नमेंट के लेटर का वो क्या जवाब देंगे ये भी कुछ क्लियर नहीं है. सो वी ऑल हैव टू रिक्वेस्ट आवर ऑनरेबल प्राइम मिनिस्टर टू काइंडली इंटरफेयर इन दिस सिचुएशन and take a good decision regarding this, and we are damn sure that he will take a right decision for our brighter future and for our health, good health. So ये 2 पॉइंट्स हैं जिसके कारण आपके एग्ज़ाम्स कैंसिल हो सकते हैं, पर कोई क्लियर नहीं, बिकॉज ICSE ने कुछ ऑफिशियल न्यूज़ नहीं दिया है. आप लोग प्रिपेयर करते रहिए अपने एग्ज़ाम्स का, बिकॉज ICSE का अभी कोई क्लियर स्टेटमेंट नहीं आया है. और मैं कुछ ऐसे ही नहीं बोलना चाहता हूँ कि ICSE कैंसिल करेगा ना करेगा, बिकॉज ये ICSE पर डिपेंड करता है, वो कैंसिल कर भी सकता है नहीं भी कर सकता है. सो आप लोग प्रिपेयर करते रहिए अपना, बिकॉज व्हाट विल हैपन वी ऑल डोंट नो एग्जैक्टली व्हाट विल हैपन, वी ऑल डोंट नो, बट एनीवन इज़ नॉट willing to give examinations, and many of the students are not going to take are ready to give their examinations because the current situation is not fair. So this is the short video regarding this, and the main motto you all know very well, that please raise your voice, and if you are in favor of cancellation of examinations, tweet your thoughts on Twitter #cancel the 10th exams. This is clear. So I am going to end this video. Have a good day, take care, have a nice day, stay home, stay safe, and raise your voice. So bye bye, have a nice day.